Dylan is telling me that he's not gonna be able to join. He's in a meeting outside with a client, so he's not gonna be able to join us.
Oh, so Dylan is not coming, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, okay, got it.
Can you hear my voice here?
Yes.
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay. Because my internet today is not very stable, so if I have anything wrong, please tell me. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Okay. I hear some delay, so is that my internet problem? Okay, let me try another network here. Okay, I'm changed to my hotspot here. So everything can hear me now?
Yeah, everything is good, I think. Yeah. So Cherry, can you hear me?
God. Hey guys, everyone can hear my voice here?
Yeah, perfect.
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. So okay, let's start. I'm very happy to be here again, and hello everyone. I'm Cheryl. It's very happy to hold the crypto market insights session with all of us. And today we are thrilled to have with us our guests, who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. So, as a host of today's discussion, I'll be leading us so a very, deeply and discussionally conversation that promise to be both informative and engaging. So, whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an really enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hot pots. The live session is broadcasting on CoinW Lab channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch, and please leave your opinions or questions about market, coins, etc. in the comment, and our guests will definitely pick up some to answer. And so let's go. Welcome Tango, Jay, and Raisul. Hey everyone. Welcome all to our live session, and we are very happy to have you here with us today. So let's begin the very exciting part, which is about the market review and gainer loser coins. So in this part, we'd like our guest to point out the top three performing and underperforming cryptocurrencies of the week. Additionally, we also kindly request market insights such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies you want to talk about. Everything is fine here, so please be free to share the screen and let us watch your charts. So who wanna be the first one to share?
Yeah, I can go.
Yeah, hi, Tango.
How you good? How you doing? All good?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's still bullish, everything, so I'm fine.
We're still on the bullish train here. Yes, indeed. I mean, there's no signs of stopping this trend. So, can you guys see my screen now?
Yes.
All right, great. Yeah, I mean, definitely on a bull run it's been just creeping higher now after this breakout we had in February of around 52, 53, which was the range between. Let me pull back my numbers here. Between 50 and 53 was the latest consolidation we had for weeks. We got then our breakout. This was an expansion with volume, and we've then, we haven't been it's just stopping along the way, just consolidated again above the 63 here on a bull flag. We got ourselves another break. Then we got this all-time highs 69,425, and we got this huge volatility candle. That was I think it wasn't a 18%, no 12%, 13% retracement. That pullback was bought right away, so we went back up, and we've been just creeping higher since. This is a kind of a a phase melting environment, because lots of people that were waiting for a pullback are waiting to just sitting on the sidelines waiting to get involved. They're just seeing this thing just going up and up and up and without stopping, and they start to see the FOMO and the disbelief as this thing doesn't seem to just have any pullbacks at all. So definitely, definitely the trend is very, very strong. As I just said, there's no real pullbacks. We've been having, as you can see, we've seen new all-time highs each of the last 5 days. We retested the all-time highs. So there's no real selling up here. You can see the liquidation heat map. There's some orders, probably short sellers or profit taking around what is this, 74,400, 74,300. But I don't think that's going to be enough to stop this this kind of bidding that we're seeing. So yeah, all in all, I mean, Bitcoin's still going up. We're above the 8 and the 21 EMA, which signals that we're in a very accelerated trend line and an accelerated move. This has been an active sequence since this 53K breakout. So I still see Bitcoin just moving up. I think we're probably going to reach, if nothing changes and we don't have any black swans or anything like that, we're probably going to see 80K pretty soon, and we can definitely see 100K maybe even before the halving. We shall see. But yeah, that's a possible scenario for Bitcoin moving forward. I think we're still on the early to mid stages of a bull run. I think we haven't seen the top yet. So looking very, very bullish to me. Ethereum, on the other hand, even though it's been trending higher and making a really nice bull run, it's struggling at the 4K area. So this is the first time that we may see a decoupling between Bitcoin and Ethereum correlation. The 4,000 area has been difficult to get past for Ethereum. So we shall see. If Bitcoin continues to creep higher, Ethereum will probably just follow, but we can see that Ethereum is showing signs of exhaustion up here. So this could be the first time that we see a little bit of a divergence between Ethereum and Bitcoin. So if we refer to the Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we could probably see a retest of this support area at 0.046 in the short term. So that's for the wide market and the benchmark, and then there's altcoins. There's still lots of things moving up. We've seen Solana moving up, making a really nice run after this Tuesday 5th, when we got the all-time highs on Bitcoin and the volatility bar. Lots of longs and shorts were liquidated here and just flashed out, and there was a clean slate to just continue trading higher. We broke 144 and just consolidated above, and then we got ourselves a nice 3-day run up. So targets for me on Solana, it's 180 to 200. We're probably going to reach that soon. AVAX also just break. I think this one is undervalued. This one has more potential than Solana to run up right now. We are actually just seeing the breakout out of this consolidation at 44. So probably 100 is attainable on AVAX in the short to mid term. So I like these two. And then there's lots of things just popping up. The meme coins are still moving up. Pepe, you know, just consolidated here on a bullish pennant and then just made another move. So it's giving you lots of nice setups to trade along the way. And one other coin that I wanted to point out is ING. ING has been a one of the biggest gainers of this market. We can see that, you know, it broke out of this base when the bull market started in October 2023, and it made a run up to 53. So that's a 560% move up. It then retraced. I mean, actually, it went to 45, sorry, and then it just consolidated there for a long time, which is something really healthy. The range has been between 45 and 30, and it's been lately trading on the upper half of this range, and we got ourselves a breakout 2 days ago, and now it's just trying to, you know, continue moving higher. If that's the case, then ING has lots of potential. This one could easily just creep up to 80 to 100 if we continue on this bull run. So ING, really nice price action, and also it's a big project. You know, has a lot of it has a big ecosystem. So we could potentially see it as a new market leader on this new bull run that we're seeing. So that's a little bit. Of course, there's lots of other things happening, you know, in altcoins, but I don't want to extend too much.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Tango. It's very comprehensive. So do you think this is already the alt season or not yet?
We usually, I mean, when we talk about market rotation, okay, and money rotation, we usually see the cycle on crypto. Is usually, you know, Bitcoin first, then money rotates into Ethereum, and then money rotates into altcoins, and then we rotate into meme coins and dead coins, and that's probably tells you that the bull run is, you know, it's reaching an end. So the thing is that this time around is different. Everything is different. I think, we can't look. Let me show you again. We can't avoid the fact that altcoins have been moving up, you know, by a lot since the bull run started on Bitcoin. So I think the alt season is happening the same time this time around as the Bitcoin bull cycles happening. So everything is moving up, you know, considerably. So I think the altcoin season is in full force right now, and it's been in force since October, September 2023. We might get even more, you know, even a bigger move. Yes, of course, but I don't think this time money is rotating the same logical way that it did in previous cycles. I think we are already on the altcoin season, and we've been in the altcoin season since October, because if you check most of the altcoins and like, you know, let's say Solana, look at Solana. Solana, this is the start of the bull run, right? October 2023. This thing is moving up 800%. So I would consider that this is alt season as well. I mean, these things are moving by a lot. I mean, you got TRX as well, just breaking out of the huge consolidation, making a really nice gain. You got BNB. Where's BNB? Look at BNB. BNB from October 2023, you got the first, you know, bounce off the lows here. This one looked like it was going to break down because of all the negative news around it. It just made a really nice first bounce here, and then it just took off, and we're up 116%. So I think the alt season is happening as we speak, and will continue so. Just remember the fundamentals and the narratives are different this time around on this cycle, and this is probably a mega cycle that we're seeing on Bitcoin and the whole market. It's gonna drag the whole thing up.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for answering my question. You know, my one of my old pal, he just sent me a signal about the Bitcoin. I don't know where she got this message from, but you know, the day before yesterday, I guess and he said to me that the Bitcoin will go pull back to like 60,000, and I don't believe that. But that night, the Bitcoin actually indeed pull back, but it's just a one night, and then just go bullish as usual. And he also said the Bitcoin will bullish on like 10,000 recently. So is that true? How do you think? How do you guys think?
Well, I'm actually, I mean, I always tend to focus on the price action instead of narratives, you know, that you can hear from here and there. So I'm just looking at the price action. The price action is telling me that you know, we're still moving up.
Oh.
I have to first see the pullback, okay, and then I will confirm the narrative. It doesn't work the other way around. Because if you believe that narrative, okay, then you should be shorting this move. And if you're shorting this move, you're crazy. I mean, you're gonna probably get wrecked. So I wouldn't put my money, you know, on that idea unless you're seeing something else. But for me, it's just I mean, there's no signs of pulling back. I'm gonna show another chart that I have later on, but later on the discussion.
Yeah.
But this will, you know, this will probably change your view on that narrative that we could potentially pull back. Of course, a pullback will be the most healthy and most normal thing to do, but it doesn't seem we're gonna get it.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you very much, Tango. Thank you for your sharing. Okay, so Jay and Raisul, would you like to share next one?
Hey Cheryl, how are you?
Oh, go
Hi,
ahead,
Jay.
go ahead.
Hi. Okay. So
Hi.
yeah, Jay, you can continue. You can continue, bro.
No, go ahead. It's
So,
okay.
so I'm doing with Tango because yes, and Mike's opinion is the same. So yeah, because this is the bull market and the altcoin is doing the BNB hit almost like 600 and 500 650, and the Solana is going almost 150 or 150 around, like. So yeah, nothing to say. Okay, so market is starting booming, so we are not showing in a bottom, just market is just moving, so we just show the pullback actual for market. And yeah, I'm doing with Tango. It's because he already shared those things, and also he just explained everything. So yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you very much, Raisul. We're really looking forward your sharing on our discussion part because it contains a lot of Bitcoin content. Thank you again.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Jay, it's your turn.
Oh, hi. I'm focusing on PPI right now because we got PPI around. I'm gonna show you my screen. So I think we can have a decent PPI trade right now because since we got the daylight saving on US and this is the PPI candle, I think 7:30. So the PPI is higher than expected. So if we can see in here, the XY is still stuck. I think where is my DXY? 10 minute getting pump, right and shoulder on 10 minute. Look, supposed to be based on higher I mean like high risk asset, but I don't think so because like Nasdaq still fine, keep making high all-time high, same like Bitcoin, and S&P 500 is still making all-time high. So I think so the problem is what happened if when they pull back, you know, since we never know, like I also don't know, like because like this is the first time Bitcoin becoming ETF, right? So the correlation I think is real, and I'm not saying we got the fullback soon or what, but just be caution, okay? Just be caution. But right now, I got three possibility for short-term trade. This is my short-term trade. I gave my groups yesterday, so I got three possibility. First, we got 50% probability, and this one, the green one, the first probability, we call it the A. We break this 37 and then like retest and we pump. Second one, the yellow, probability B, because we keep, look at that, we keep, rejecting around here, we reject and we retest this trend line. So this trend line, it's been strong trend line from the liquidity grab in the past 2 weeks. Okay, is it 2 weeks? Yeah. No. Sorry. In this week, I mean in this week. So this trend line has been. So look at that, liquidity grab. No, it's not liquidity grab. Just stop hunt. This is stop hunt. If liquidity grab is supposed to be like lower than the previous week. So this is just a stop hunt to scare people to out. So this is my B and my C. So this is my C. We just getting a sideway in this zone. So let's see if we can get the entry right now. I haven't seen any entry, so maybe later tonight when I see some confirmation, on the lower time frame, maybe like 50 minutes, and I will give you guys. So right now, still not sure. It's still not giving me like go to, so right now I don't have anything on Bitcoin, but later tonight I'm gonna give you guys for sure. I'm gonna give you that. But if let's say my plan A work, so tonight we can get as high as first we can get 74,700 because I saw some lot of short liquidity right here, so maybe it will be taken right here. So this is the first. Second, if the market maker wanna liquid more, let's say they wanna be greedy, so my target is going to be 76,800 ish. So this is gonna be like happening by tomorrow if my plan A is performing. But I don't know. I got 3 probabilities, so I have to see. I have to check. And right now I'm gonna give you guys an update what next on alt. So are we in the alt season? Nah, we're not. I've been here for 4 cycles, so the definition of alt season is you close your eyes, you buy anything, even coin, you can get easy gain 10%. So that's the definition of alt season. But if we still get like placement and then like I don't think so, because like it took long, because like the alt season, you can see like so many Pepe like performing, if you see like if you saw like Pepe like performing alone, and in alt season, like there's gonna be like a lot of Pepe at that time. There's gonna be a lot. But until then, it's not. So we have to building the entry. Like I'm building 8 because like I got one more narrative for you guys, and this is mid. This is Wagyu, and my next narrative is gaming. I saw some gaming like it's going to perform because why? This is my EXS. I've been holding since October and it just got jackpot. So this is I think I got 2 EXS. I entry this one is from the October, I think. Sorry, November. And how about this one? This one is from October and it just got jackpot. And broke my, and broke this one, the previous high. I mean like my version or season. I don't know like which one. I think this is 3 days or something, but if you guys seen here, on weekly, okay, I'm gonna focus on weekly. Okay, there is a liquidity grab around here. Bearish liquidity grab, but it's not respecting like the lower, but it is respecting. We got retrace. Look at this week. We got retrace, and we get back up, and right now it's sitting as a support right here. So it's not coincidence, because like I saw some gaming like like Mavia and Sans try to perform. So I'm gonna write this trend. This is my second round for EXS because I got jackpot on this since October. So my target for next EXS, let's say we break this order block on weekly. Look at here. We still got a lot of order block here. So we got fair value gap. So this is like a magnet, guys. Like a magnet. If we can breach this one, so my target for EXS, wow, I don't know. It's kind of crazy, but 59, but it's not gonna pay overnight. But let's see if we can break 13. And if we can, okay, that's so easy. I think like the first we're going to be here, this lower high 20, and second 28. So watch out on gaming direction, because like I think gaming will be perform next. And talk about gaming. Every gaming there is an NFT, guys. Always have NFT. So gaming and NFT is always correlated. Like they always like running together. Like let's say XLM and XRP, because like they are ISO 2000. So gaming and NFT just like, you know, they're just like a brother sister. So right now I got 8. If you can see in here, weekly head and shoulder. Look at that. I'm entering here around when I saw like, oh, this is gonna be like the right shoulder, but you guys can still enter here. Where the stop loss? Stop loss right here. Below the right shoulder. This is the weekly. So I prefer you guys like buying spot on this or buying the retracement around 1.9. But this is good. So remember last time when I show you guys, like, because like my expertise is inverse head and shoulder on the higher time frame, and that's so powerful, but so powerful because like it don't quit overnight. It, you know, it has for a year. Look at that, for a year. So watch out on 8, and my target for 8, 4.7. We reach 5, we can go higher. This is 8, and I got another last one, XRP. You know, I hate this shit coin, to be honest. I hate XRP, but you know, I just love profit. But I'm gonna trade this. And XRP just broke. If I drag this trend line from here to here, this trend line is 3 years already. Hold on. Yep, that one. So this higher high is since 2001 April. So you imagine like 2001 April trend line, and it just got break. So it's chilling down right now, but you know, when it had been around this area for over like 1 to 3 over 3-4 years, so I think it's gonna be strong. This is my sane target around like 1.2, but I'm gonna leave it more. So my insane target is going to be like this high, $2 or 2.4. So congrats for every XRP fans. But I had this coin, but congrats. This is gonna be, you know, perform without you knowing, because like we just got the break. Look at that on monthly. So clean. So XRP, guys. XRP. And I got Sol. Now you can't enter Sol, guys. It's too long. It's too late. Oh, one more. Sheep. All right. Short term trade for sheep. Target around 0.0. This is like 1K sheep. So this area 0.45. Okay. This break. And I think it will follow like Doge, because Doge Pepe is performing right now, and Sips will join the party for sure. And I'm also tracking this TRX. I hate this coin too, same like XRP, but it performed well, and it got damaged a lot. Since this stop. So if you guys check in here, this is like the worst perform for a couple 2 weeks. So you just test like 10. So I think it's cheap right now, and I'm waiting for confirmation around 618 and 382. So watch out on TRX. That's it, guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jay. It's very, very impressive. I have a question about the ape.
Yes.
So yeah, recently we saw the head ape NFT just have a significant drop, right? Which prices even I remember is almost on 17 or 16 ETH. So the token of that, do you think ape can still continue to be bullish, or you know, just like the performing of the NFT?
Look at the chart. Inverse head and shoulder for this is 1 week. Sorry. This is 1 week. Sorry, my bad. Oh shit. That was daily. My bad. That was daily, not weekly. So the power is not. So this is daily. My bad. I saw it weekly just now. Yeah, because I saw gaming is going to be performed, because some of my gaming narrative is already like pumping like PYR or even like Nakamoto game. So because like my one of my best expertise is gaming, and I can see when they, when they try to pump, because like since last year, I know like, what they're doing, because like, they not usually pump when others is pumping, they just like stay quiet, but when the time they want to pump, they just gonna like show some, some reaction, like we saw some ape and then like EXS on this, and ape I think is going to be pumped because ape still correlated with the gaming, so don't worry about that. It will be like with meme, like meme back then, so don't worry about that.
Okay, thank you very much. Also, I noticed that no one talking about AI.
AI, yeah. Actually, I'm aiming for AI because like I got uh fat, fat. What is my fat? Because I'm aiming for AI. There's gonna be like NVIDIA. I think around this Sunday or Tuesday, so I'm feeling. I'm not feeling. I think they can hit one more pump.
Yeah.
And after that, sell the news event. So I think the Nvidia is I got stop loss. See, I got stop loss. I can get stop loss too, and I'm waiting for some confirmation, because if you seen here, look at that triple bottom on the daily on fetch, and you can go on render too. This is like the one on CoinW. Like look at render. This is but render I got close. I noticed like my fat got stop loss, so I closed my render instead. So I think it can go lower, but after Friday, I think they can pump. After there's no news, because right now Bitcoin is still like uncertain. If you see on the BTC DOM, 1 hour is more clear. Look at it. Look at here. It just like like sideways, sideways, sideways. It just broke the triangle and it retraced. So after BTC like calm for a few days, let's say like during the weekend, because like weekend is holiday, right? So I think DOM can be chill. So DOM can be chill, alt can pump. So that's why like you can see like some shit coin pumping around the weekend, right? So that's why because BTC is like chilly, and but on the Sunday US time, they're gonna like start moving because like the CME is opening. So yeah, AI. I think AI is there's like one last time for AI. I think tomorrow or Saturday before the Nvidia event on Sunday, I think. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you. So how do you think the XETA?
Sorry, can you type it?
Yeah, sure.
What is the tickers?
No, it's about game. Oh no, it's about the AI. Yeah.
How to call that?
Char XETA.
RX.
E.
Is it this? E?
No, I already typed it in our comments.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, Zeta. Never heard of it. Never heard of it. But let's check. But I never heard of it. Never heard of it. This is the first time, to be honest. I never heard of it. Never heard. Zeta.
Oh, so that is pronounced Zeta, right?
Zeta. Looking great. Look at that. Looking good. Break the high and respecting as a support. Looking great. Actually, looking great. Even like the new moon is not getting down, because like since we are on the bull market, the new moon is not affecting us so much. Not like the last time,
Yeah.
It just like retrace for 1-2 days and then get back up. And if we can stay hold on Zeta run 0.33, so I think we can go higher and retesting this high around 788. So still possible, because like still no one know, even me, I don't know. Oh, there's another high around here. So yeah, 1.6 cents, 16 cents. I mean, yeah. So this is great, looking great for the chart. To be honest, looking great. I'm not gonna lie, because like look at this, just got break on the daily. Oh, hello. Oh, what's wrong with my mouse? No battery. Okay, just broke. So and this is the support for now, and that's good.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Also, I remember Jay emphasizing the performance over the weekend in last week's live stream. And do you think this week's last week's performance can indicate whether the upward trend will continue in the future?
I just saw liquidity around 768. If we got rejected around here, so look at here. So look at the trend line. I'm not gonna try to scare you guys, but look at the trend line. So let's say we went to 768. So look at the retracement, but this is short term, like this is still not play yet. So we still can get like 7% drops, and it's gonna be scary, guys, if we get dropped. But I don't know. I don't know right now. Bitcoin is dumping right now. It's dumping. So let's see. I have to focus after this on PPI. All right.
Okay, we will see.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so let's move on. Very impressive sharing for everyone. So thank you again, Tango, Jay, and Raisul. So let's move on. Our next part is the question and answer discussion. So let me share my screen here. Share screen. Okay, so for today, our first question is it surprising that Bitcoin has reached a new ATH without any significant pullbacks? The Bitcoin halving is said to occur in only 38 days. And has this event been priced in already? Could this be a time for Bitcoin to experience a pullback? What do you guys think?
Regarding that, let me just share a chart real quick here.
Okay, let me start my sharing here. Wait. Okay, you can go.
All right, so are we gonna get a pullback, right? That's the question. Before the halving, or is the price? I mean, is this priced in? So look at this. Look at this chart here. This is a MicroStrategy's Bitcoin holdings since the Michael Saylor started. But I know we're gonna talk about Michael Saylor's later on, but I'm gonna pull out the same chart probably. So these are the MicroStrategy holdings since Saylor started buying Bitcoin for their balance sheet on their company against BlackRock's ETFs Bitcoin accumulation. So MicroStrategy started in September 2020, and after 3 years and a half, 3 years and so, it came to 200,000 Bitcoin, right? It accumulated. And then we see the ETFs, okay, BlackRock's ETF IBIT starting on what was this? Well, I think it was 11, but anyways, mid-January. So it's been 2 months. So in 2 months, the ETFs have been accumulating the same amount that MicroStrategy has been able to amass in 3 years. So that tells you a little bit about the demand this product is having, Bitcoin, right? The spot price. I mean, this is why we're not getting any dips, guys. I mean, any dip that we may get is getting eaten up by these institutions. I mean, we've seen 50 billion in assets under management so far. IBIT has above 200,000 Bitcoin bought, and the volume that these ETFs have handled so far is 100 billion. So this is the reason why you're not getting any pullbacks, because of the consistent and constant demand that we're having from the ETFs. This is the big players, the big institutions coming to play into the Bitcoin ecosystem. So are we gonna get a pullback? Well, I'm not sure. I mean, if this buying continues, we're not gonna see any pullbacks. I mean, any pullback it's gonna get bought. So I don't think waiting for a pullback is the wisest thing to do right now, because you're probably gonna miss out on the entire move, as I said before. The trend is up. We're going up, and anything that goes down 2, 3, 4% gets bought right away. And the halving is around the corner. We had like 35 days remaining, and supply is going to cut in half. So what do you think is going to happen? I mean, supply is going to cut in half, right? So we're going to have half of the amount of Bitcoin minted that we used to have up until now, and we see an increase in demand in 50-fold, 100-fold increase in demand. So I think the narrative is pretty clear, okay? And the narrative is clear, and I don't think we're gonna see any dips anytime soon. Of course, it will be healthy. Of course, it will be nice to have a dip, so everybody can jump in, right, and get involved, and that will be normal market behavior. But sometimes the market doesn't give you. This has been the dominant narrative so far. That's why when the ETF started trading, I started talking about it every day, and I analyzed the price each day. We're actually, look at this. I mean, since their inception, they've been up from this break at 30 on IBIT, which was the all-time highs, which it was the opening print, right? It made a 40, I think it was a 40% move. So there's definitely people that are actually taking profits, around these prices, because it's been up 40%, and 40% in traditional finance. It's a big number, right? We're used to seeing bigger numbers in crypto, but if you trade traditional assets, 40% is an amazing return. So there's probably lots of people taking profits along the way, and even with those profits and people, outflows, people selling, there's still this thing still is going up. I mean, it's still making new highs, and that of course impacts the price on Bitcoin, because of the ETF issuers have to buy the underlying asset. So their clients are buying the ETFs, and they actually wanted to buy it for themselves as well. BlackRock just requested to the SEC to be able to buy Bitcoin also, and the ETF for their own portfolio management. And we're gonna get any dips. Is the halving priced in? I'm not so sure. I'm just seeing something that is eating up everything that it's thrown their way. So I will continue to just trade along with this narrative as far as it takes us, and as far as I see that the narrative doesn't change. When the narrative changes, then I will adjust accordingly. But for now, I don't see it happening.
Thank you very much, Tango. It's very comprehensive. So please tell us if the narrative has changed. Thanks again. And what do you guys think about this question? Jay and Raisul?
Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you so much. So claim a new high is impressive, especially without any major setbacks. Now there are big event coming, which is halving in 38 days. It means fewer Bitcoin will be created, which has historical led to a price increase. However, the market measures already expecting this. Investor might have factor in potential price raise in the halving, affecting the price current price. So the pullback is still positive. Some investor might see the high point as a good time to cash out. Cashing the temporary dip, keep in mind, external event can also influence the price. The bottom of the line, the halving might not cause immediate in jump in the event. Short term dip is possibility, but the long term look the Bitcoin seems possibility due to the reduced supply. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Raisul. Jay, what do you think?
I'm agree with Tango, all of it. Sorry, I'm not
Oh.
focusing. I'm focusing on PPI. So because when I got the confirmation around another 15 minutes, I can give you guys like what's going to happen. So but I'm agree what Tango saying and Raisul, so they've been great. So yeah, I don't need to add more, I think.
Okay, all right. Thank you. So I think this question is quite comprehensively answered and it's very clear. Thanks, Tango and Raisul and also Jay. So let's move on to our next question. Let me share my screen here. Okay, so this question is about after Bitcoin has been about 70K, right? The crypto market has undoubtedly entered a bull market. So can we now buy hot picks and expect to garner certain profits without adhering to the trading discipline? What do you guys think?
Charlie, can I answer first because I have to go for prayer?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Okay. Ranking 70K is a big sign of crypto market. It might be tempting to jump and grab some hot pick, hoping to easy profits. Cryptocurrency like a roller coaster, waits up and down, even in a bull market. Think you can a noise drive first. Unforeseen events and change in a regulation can a part upside down. Thinking you can just throw your money at random picks and you get generated risk. Yeah, not gonna happen. Without plan, you are setting yourself up for travels. Discipline your best friend. Treat it seriously. Have a clear strategy. Know when buy and sell. And most importantly, keep your emotion in check. Don't let they have be your judgment. Okay, so do your homework and remember cryptocurrency like a gambling, and you could very well lose everything in your investment. Only put that you can afford to lose. Last of the line, a bull market might be expecting, but don't be blind. You always prioritize and responsible investing. Do your own research, have a plan, and manage your risks.
Okay,
So,
thank you very much. Yeah.
Charlie, can I leave because my prayer time, so I have to go, Mox.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you so much. And
No,
I have lots of fun in there. So thank you so much, dude. And yeah, see you guys.
thank you very much, Rachel. Really looking forward to you for your next sharing, maybe next week. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's back to the question. How you guys think?
Well, actually, I mean, can we now buy hot picks and expect to garner certain profits without adhering to the trading discipline? Actually, that's a recipe for disaster. I mean, discipline and trading discipline is one of the building blocks of a trader. So doesn't matter what's going on in the market, you always have to respect your approach, and being disciplined and being consistent are the key to success as a trader. So, or you can't just disregard it, once just because you're seeing that we're in a massive bull run. I can agree that when you're on a bull run like this, you can be more relaxed with your stop losses, and maybe you can hold things for longer. And even if you actually didn't get in at the best price, a bull market can be lenient with you, and you can still make a profit. But that doesn't mean that you can be not disciplined. Okay, discipline is the basis, is the building block of a successful trader. So just never abandon that idea. It doesn't matter what happens. I mean, sometimes you feel tempted to avoid to disregard your rules and not being disciplined just because you see them really move up and you don't want to miss it. And I know it's painful when you miss a bull run. But you need to focus on the long run here. And if you want to be a successful trader and you have a successful career that spans for a long time, then you need to be able to, you know, just follow your plan and know that, you know, there's gonna be a next bull run and another one and another one and another one. Okay, and that thinking has to help you with your discipline. Okay, and missing on a bull run or missing on a breakout doesn't mean that you can, you know, that you can just disregard your rules and be undisciplined on the next one, because that's gonna probably end up with you, you know, losing all your money. So I don't see any reasons why you should abandon your discipline when.
Thank you very much, Tango. Yeah, to avoid your losing money, probably it's better to following the training discipline all the time, and you can always listen our live stream or check our Jay, Boris, Dylan, Tango. They are very professional traders, and they will always sharing very informative information about the crypto on their Twitter, so you can follow them, and also CoinW. Yeah, and I bet the next question, it will be a really common question for many on how to hold onto your tokens and get maximum profits in a bull market. So as most people may sell their tokens too soon, such as me. So does anyone have advice on this? And could you share some like indicators such as chain address monitoring to help address this problem? What do you guys think?
For the maximum profit, yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys not sell their token early. So just don't look every morning when you wake up. Just don't look. Just don't look at your phone and then like look at your portfolio and then like, oh, it's dropped today, oh, it's up. So just don't look. Just leave it be until you have to be careful when when BTC like around above 100K. But for now, I think just don't look. Just don't look for sure. Just don't look, because like it can make your, I mean, like if you look and then like you scare and then like, oh, market dumping, like now is market is playing like my probability C getting rejected dumb, and the BTC dome is pumping right now. So just don't look. Just don't look. If you don't have the mentality, just don't look. And I mean, like even like you not be able, let's say like you not be able to sell this cycle, and then you start you still can sell another cycle if your coin is the strong one. But my advice, always take profit. Or let's say, oh, it's already high, it's already up, like let's say 300, like Pepe, like it's already up like more than 300, 400. So there's no problem to take profit, you know. There's no problem. I mean, like your profit is not gonna be gained when you're not taking it. So always take profit, guys. That's it.
Yeah, that's right. I think a lot of people faced with the unknown. Many are fearful or of the risk of a significant pullback, and the continuous upward trend in recent times has, just indeed been a bit nerve-wracking for some. So yeah, and it is very right. No problem to take profits anytime. Yeah, and thank you very much. Do you have some like indicators you want to share to us?
Indicator.
Yeah, like
No one knows, to be honest. No one know, even me. I don't know like when is the peak, but I can time when it start to get messy. Like I can time it, but I don't have any indicator for that, you know, because like that's kind of hard, guys. That's kind of hard, to be honest. To timing like the top, no one gonna knows. No one gonna knows.
yeah.
So maybe like the top can be like this year or next year. No one gonna know, but I know for sure. But we still on the third phase of the bull, which is third phase is the big cap. That's why you saw a lot of big cap is pumping. Like big cap don't care right now. Like injective salt, funds, and ADA and some big caps, because right now is their time. All the big caps right now is their time. And after that, the phase 4, that's for the real alt season. I mean, like everything. You just close your eyes, buy anything, and then like easy 10, easy 20%. You know, just close your eyes. But before that, you know, we still early actually. We still on the smart money phase, but there's a lot of retail coming right now, so the retail have to be scared right now, to be honest. I mean, like there is a lot, even my groups, there is like a lot of people like the one that still don't know crypto at all. So yeah, the retail is coming, but it's not completely coming, you know. But yeah, that's why you have to always watch us in here. So maybe next time when the top come, maybe I can warn you guys, maybe if I know it. Okay, how's Tango?
Thank you very much, Jay. Yes, totally agree with you. So, Tango, what do you think about this question?
No, I just agree with Jay here. I mean, the advice he gave about, you know, not looking, I think is very accurate. I think you have to do your homework before you start, you know, investing, and have your plan, and then you just execute it and just forget about it, right? Don't look at the price, you know, by the minute, you know, or the hour, because you're gonna go crazy. And that's gonna probably end up, you know, affecting you psychological level, and you're probably gonna end up making bad decisions. So if your plan is to, you know, just DCA on Bitcoin and just hold forever, which I think is a very logical plan to have on Bitcoin only, then just do that and just forget about it. Just put it on, you know, just buy Bitcoin, put it on cold storage, and forget about it, and probably check it in maybe 10 or 20 years. But don't look at the price each, you know, every day, and look at the intraday charts, because that's gonna probably influence on your decision making. So that's the first thing. And then I mean, there's no one that have ever been able to buy and sell the top. Okay, there's been lots of clever people, you know, trying to guess the market and trying to, you know, guess the top and the bottom, and you know, you're probably gonna end up losing money by doing that. So if you have a plan, you know, and you want to take profits at a certain point, just go ahead and do it. It doesn't matter if it just, you know, runs higher. So because you learn from that, next time you're probably gonna know how to hold for longer. Just you know, a quick advice: if you want to sell, you know, just don't sell your whole position, right? If you've been accumulating and the price has been going up 20%, 15%, 30%, and you feel like either it's a good price percentage wise to take profits, or if you're an analyst, like a chart analyst or a technical trader, and you think that the chart is gonna top, then you take profits. You take profits there, but you don't sell the whole position. Just you know, maybe you sell 50%, maybe 75%, and you just hold some in case it runs higher, okay, or lower if you're short, and that will be a good way to avoid, you know, just missing out the bigger move. That's some advice that I can give. That's something that I do. I mean, it's part of my trading plan. Usually when I sell, I scale out of positions. So yeah, you should scale out of positions, not sell the whole thing.
Thank you very much, Tango. Yeah, totally agree with you. But sometimes it's just so hard to forget it. I bet so many people, the first thing when they woke up is to check the training and tokens they held. But I think for today's what I heard, believing the narrative is very important, and you will have more faith on it, as Jay and Tango said. So yeah. Actually, our next question is the last question for today's discussion, and which we back to the discussion on Bitcoin. So many people once thought macro seller was crazy, but with the surge in Bitcoin, will MSTR's aggressive Bitcoin buying just you know, spurring more CEOs of public companies to join the ranks of Bitcoin holders? What do you guys think?
I think what Michael Saylor is doing, it's pioneering a new form of managing your company. I think that we're gonna have to wait and see how this plays out in the long run for him and his company. But so far he's had a lot of success. And what I do believe that this guy is doing, which is for me it's impressive, is that he's had a thesis. He elaborated a thesis after studying a lot, Bitcoin and what it represents. And he then, just went ahead with his theory, with his thesis, and he thinks that Bitcoin is a better form of money than the US dollar, and he's been very effective at exchanging that, that bad money, which is the dollar, for better money, which is Bitcoin. So he's been able to, sell his whole company shares and actually, take debt on his Bitcoin holdings or on his company holdings just to amass and buy more Bitcoin. So so far, if you check the MSTR stock price, it resembles a lot of about the Bitcoin price. So the Bitcoin price, and I think his investors have been very happy with the decision he made 3 years ago, because it made them so far a lot of money. So in time we shall see, because time will tell if it was the best move, but it was the correct move. But we got to give him credit that it was a bold move.
Yeah, thanks, Tango. So Jay, what do you think?
Yeah, I'm agree with Tango. He's not crazy. He's just like too vocal about it. But what he did is good, because like his company like got a lot of Bitcoin on it. So nah, he's not crazy. Like because like if you see like Bitcoin like if you became me like 10 years ago, like, and then like you bought Bitcoin like you saw like below 1K, and then like right now it's 70K, and we're almost like hitting the 100K maybe soon. And so that's why like sometimes like everyone think like someone is crazy, because like me myself 8 years ago I told my mom and my cousin, my friends, hey, buy Bitcoin, and then like they said like, no, this is scam, this is scam. So so it's not just seller, like even me, so but he's not crazy, to be honest. So he just too vocal, and yeah, maybe like maybe Bitcoin will perform better than gold in the next future, because like gold is such as old school, and Bitcoin is the new kids on the block. So people always love the new kids. So yeah, I think he's right about it.
I agree with you. I bet a lot of crypto users will hope the Bitcoin perform better than gold. Yeah. So anyone wants to add up more things or discussion more about our today's topic?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, thank you, Jay, Tango, and oh, okay. Thank you very much, and thank you all for joining us today. So be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and our estimate guest. Please follow their Twitter account, as they will continue to share very valuable insights on the world of crypto. So overall, I'd like to thank you everyone for joining this inspiring discussion today. So please take care and stay tuned on this bull market, and see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
See you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, see ya. Bye bye.